Good morning, children. Now here is civics lesson number 2, role of the government in health. So children, last time we have learned about civics lesson number 1 on equality, and in that we have learned about equality is the key feature of our Indian constitution, and we have learned many aspects of our constitution, that how it recognizes everyone as equal. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about the work of the government in health. That is, we call it as role of the government in health. How does it work? How does it look after the welfare of the people related to health facilities or public health services, etc. So children, in a democracy, people think that the government should work for their welfare by providing through the provisions. There are many provisions that the government can do to the welfare of the people. By the provisions like education, housing, laying of the roads, sanitation, providing electricity, water facilities, education, etc. So there are many facilities that the government can do for the welfare of the people. So in this lesson we are taking here related to health. What is the work of the government in related to work? How does it work? How does it look after the welfare of the people in regarding to health services? So here children, first let us know about what is health. So what is health, children? Here, what do you think about health? Here, health means our ability, children, to be free from illness, injuries, various diseases, free from it. So apart from diseases, it is what, children, here that we need to look after our health. Still there are so many factors that affects our health, but it is the responsibility of everyone that to look after our health. So not only here illness, injuries and diseases, there are other factors also that need us, that we can keep our health healthy. How? First is, children, here the government should provide us first clean drinking water. Next is here, when we get free pollution, okay, environment. Here pollution is very important, children, because in our country with the rapid growth of population, the pollution is increasing day by day. So this is increasing rapidly and many people are affected by the pollution. So if we get free environment, pollution free, then we here are very healthy to live. So again, one more, cramped condition, if we are living in that, then very easily we are very prone to the illness. So what is here important, children? That is our health. Health means here to be healthy and free from all injuries, diseases, etc. So these all are important first when we have good or safe drinking water, provision facilities, and then free pollution environment. So we are able to maintain a good health. And not only this, children, here everyone likes to be very active and we should be also in a good spirits. Nobody likes to be inactive, dull and suffer from various diseases, etc. Everyone likes that they should maintain good health. So other than this, we need here what? Facilities that the government should provide for various people that we are living in our country. There are many people who don't have sufficient money, who are lagging behind. They don't have here sufficient water facilities, food availability, and they suffer a lot. And due to this here, they are very cramped living in the conditions which they are suffering a lot. So the government should take here the responsibility to look after the various facilities for the various people that living in a country. Then children here, everyone wants to be free from mental strain. So for this, the government should take major steps, that is to look after through the provisions of education, housing, electricity, other various facilities that the people who are suffering from various diseases, that the government should take the responsibility. Then let us see here what they are. In healthcare in India, let us say there are so many factors and aspects that we see in healthcare in India. First of all, children, here India has largest number of doctors. Every year there are some thousands of doctors they qualify, and we also have many medical colleges in our country. Secondly, here when we take here about the healthcare facilities, every year we are seeing that the healthcare services are going on increasing rapidly. There are a number of thousands of hospitals in our country. And then also here, India is the fourth largest producer in producing medicines, and it has exporting many various kinds of medicines in the world. There are many facilities that the government can do. Still, what is lagging here, that is the number of doctors in rural areas. In rural areas, there are less doctors. For the people from the rural areas, they have to go to urban because many doctors are settled in urban areas. So the people, they have to long walk to cities, towns to find a doctor. So there are less number of doctors in rural compared to the urban. Next, when it comes here, children, that when it comes about the diseases like TB or malaria, some lakhs of people they are suffering from tuberculosis, and there are lakhs of cases reported every year related to malaria. The number is increasing day by day. The number is not reducing. This shows what still the government has to take up more and more facilities. They have to take up more and more services to look after the welfare of the people. And not only this, every year we see that number of small children they die due to undernourished. These children they are not getting proper drinking facility or clean drinking water. They are not getting sufficient food to eat. So as a result, every year we see that children they die due to water facilities and proper food facilities. Still, the government has to take up many facilities to look after the welfare of the people. So here, what is important? In order to treat illness, we need many facilities, that is many healthcare services and facilities that have to be in our country. Like we need centers, health centers, more and more hospitals. We need blood banks, laboratories for testing, ambulance services. And to run all such services, facilities, we also need very good health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, other professionals to diagnose, to treat various kinds of illness. And we also need medicines, equipments, etc. So India has knowledge, money, and then experienced doctors, etc. But still, something is lagging here. What is that? That is here, still in many places we see that healthcare facilities are not available for everyone. Small example of the story of Hakim Sheikh. Hakim Sheikh, he was the laborer, that means he was an organizer of in West Bengal. he formed an association. That was a Mazdoor Khet Samiti. For that he was an organization he formed and he was the member of that organization. And in this organization, he accidentally, what happened, he fell down from a running train and he got head injuries and immediate treatment was necessary for him. So he was taken to many government hospitals, but in each government he was refused to admit because there were no proper facilities. For example, like bed in one hospital, in second hospital like qualified doctor for his treatment. Like that, he was taken to 8 government hospitals and he spent 14 hours in a critical situation. But none of them admitted and treated for his injuries. So this made him what? Very upset and angry. But finally, he was admitted in a private hospital where he was given treatment and he spent lot of money on that. And as he was very angry and upset, the organization has filed a case in Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court ordered the state government that whatever the money he has spent on his treatment should be paid him back. So this is what we are seeing, children, that due to many facilities that were not proper in many government hospitals, so the Supreme Court ordered that the facilities should be provided in all the government hospitals in case of emergency situation. This is what we are seeing, that still in many hospitals, many facilities, services are still not in proper condition. Still there are no proper doctors, nurses, healthcare services, workers, etc. So the Supreme Court has ordered that immediately that all the state government hospitals have to look after such facilities. And this is what, children, that today we have learnt about what is health and healthcare in India. And in the next class we are going to learn about public and private healthcare services. So children, read textbook. Thank you.